Hello friends, in this video we will learn the name of animals in English, so let's just start it.
Cow. This is a cow. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Rhinoceros. This is a rhinoceros. Horse. This is a horse. Chimpanzee. This is a chimpanzee. Elephant. This is an elephant. Bison. This is a bison. Hippopotamus. This is a hippopotamus. Badger. This is a badger. Ibex. This is an ibex. Iguana. This is an iguana. Ranis. This is a ranis. Crocodile. This is a crocodile. Vulture. This is a vulture. Puma. This is a puma. Lion. This is a lion. Sheep. This is a sheep. Chimpanzee. This is a chimpanzee. Lynx. This is a lynx. Hyena. This is a hyena. Monkey. This is a monkey. Dolphin. This is a dolphin. Manta ray. This is a manta ray. Jaguar. This is a jaguar. Cuban iguana. This is a Cuban iguana. Goat. This is a goat. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Cat. This is a cat. Badger. This is a badger. Ram. This is a ram. Bat. This is a bat. Alligator. This is a alligator. Polar bear. Polar bear. Koala. This is a koala. Meerkat. This is a meerkat. Leopard. This is a leopard. Frog. This is a frog. Snake. This is a snake. Whale. This is a whale. Wolf. This is a wolf. Mouse. This is a mouse. Octopus. This is an octopus. Bear. This is a bear. Stag. This is a stag. Otter. This is an otter. Yak. This is a yak. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Wolverine. This is a wolverine. Camel. This is a camel. Mink. This is a mink. Turtle. This is a turtle. Seahorse. This is a seahorse. Donkey. This is a donkey. Tiger. This is a tiger. Jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. Hare. This is a hare. Monkey. This is a monkey. Sea otter. This is a sea otter. Raccoon. This is a raccoon. Deer. This is a deer. Ape. This is an ape. Shark. This is a shark. Mole. This is a mole. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.